Today, I'm back here again in the Wildflower Crossing community by the Mattamy homes here in Kitchener, Ontario. Earlier on this channel, I did give you guys a tour of the corner lot, which is the Wellesley, the biggest layout they have for the two-story towns. And today in this video, we're going to take you a tour of the interior floor plan, which is going to be the Princeton. Just equally gorgeous. Here's what I'll do. I'll get inside the house, tell you everything you need to know about this particular community and this neighborhood itself, in case you are someone moving from outside of Kitchener-Waterloo. And we'll save the best for the last. Well, we'll take you on a tour of this home at the end. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. All right, so let's dive right into the details of this particular community. So at the moment, Mattamy is developing a range of two-story townhomes, a single garage detached and the double garage detached homes right here in the Wildflower Crossing. I'll do a separate video for the detached. For this video, we'll stick to the townhomes. So let me tell you a little bit. Basically, you're looking at townhomes ranging from 1,342 square feet all the way to 1,859 square feet. Price ranging from $729 all the way to $859. You do have 6 different floor plans to choose from, and 3 of which are interior, 2 end unit floor plans, and then you have 1 corner unit. So lots of options for every budget and price point. If I were to tell you about the closing, basically you're looking at 12 to 15 months, somewhere between May into the September, depending on the model and the floor plan and the elevation you choose. But that's what you're looking at, typically about 12 to 15 months. You're looking at $80,000 deposit over a period of 90 days. And yes, some of the great incentives Mattamy is offering: $10,000 off the purchase price, $5,000 in decor dollars, stainless steel kitchen appliances, fridge, dishwasher, and the stove is included in the purchase price, and 9-feet ceiling on the main floor, granite countertops in the kitchen. And some of the other small incentives to be included are Ecobee Smart Thermostat to come with the home and no assignment charges. Of course, there will be legal and admin fees, but assignment itself is free of cost. Now, at the same time, if you do choose to buy one of these lots and work with me as a real estate agent, not only I'll add additional value to your purchase and represent you in helping you buy the best lot and the best floor plan, but at the same time, I will give you 10% back of my gross commission paid by Mattamy at the time of closing back to you. So that'll be an added incentive shall you choose to work with me and buy one of the units at this particular community with Mattamy Homes. But here's what I'll say: don't just pick me because of the cashback. If you find the value add by working with me, only then you come and approach me. But if not, I don't want the cashback to be the sole reason you approach me and buy one of these units. But let me tell you a little bit about this particular community. Mattamy has been developing extensively in this particular neighborhood. So you are pretty much moving into an established neighborhood, although it's a brand new home. They're basically extending on their development right here in this community. It's very centrally located, and that's what I love about this particular community. Basically, Highway 8 is like less than 5 minutes, 401 10 to 12 minutes. Lots of shopping options. You have Sunrise Shopping Plaza, the boardwalk, everything is very close by, and some great schooling options as well. So perfect for a young family or a starter home, someone looking to get into the housing market but does not want to go into a resale home. This is definitely a great option for you guys. They are doing a release very soon in July. At the moment, for two-story, they only have a corner lot left. But like I said, they are doing a release in July. So definitely you want to be ready for that, because this two-story townhome, especially the smaller price lots under 800, they sell like hotcakes when they do those release. So you definitely want to get your ducks lined up before the release in July of this year. So if you have more questions or want to get into more details, be sure to reach out. I'll be sure to include the link below to contact me in the description below. So be sure to reach out. I'll be happy to share more details about this particular project. But I know you have been waiting eagerly to tour this beautiful model home. I'm going to jump out of this home and take you on a tour of this beautiful home. So stay tuned. Let's get right into it.